Whether you grow small pie pumpkins or dream of a 400-pound giant, good soil plays an important role in healthy pumpkin growth. Pumpkins grow best when the nights begin to warm and soil temperatures are above 55 degrees Fahrenheit in the spring or early summer. With nutrient-rich soil that retains the right amount of moisture, these bright orange squashes can be ready for a late October harvest. Soil pH. Good quality soil also requires the correct acid and alkaline balance, which is indicated by the soil pH. A simple soil test from a garden center or a more extensive test supplied by a county extension office, which usually carries a small fee, can determine the pH and give you time to adjust it before planting. Pumpkins require a pH between 6 and 6.5 for healthiest growth. Established vegetable beds likely fall within this range, but new beds may require amending. Agricultural lime amendments raise pH, while ammonium sulfate lowers it. A soil test provides a recommendation of which to use and in what amounts to add it. Nutrient needs. Working compost into the soil before planting adds some nutrients to the bed, but heavy feeding pumpkins usually require additional fertilization to keep the soil nutrient level in the correct range. Compost and compost tea applied at planting and when fruits begin to form supplies an organic nutrient solution. Fish emulsion application provides the necessary nutrients if the pumpkin's leaves appear pale or begin to yellow. Alternatively, a balanced fertilizer, such as the 10th of October 2010 or 2020, applied prior to planting and again at fruit set can replenish the necessary nutrients in the soil. Soil and bed layout. Forming the soil into hills allows excess water to drain more quickly from the pumpkin root zones and also gives the vines room to twine over the bed. The soil for the hills should sit about 4 inches higher than the soil in the surrounding bed and can stretch over a 4 to 8 foot area, with the smaller space for bush pumpkins and the larger for big vining varieties. About 2 plants can grow around soil formed into a hill. The soil in the hill must be loose and not packed down, or the roots nor water can penetrate well.